Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get Dreamcast games to work on your Android phone. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Play Store. Then go to the search bar and search Redream. This is going to be our Dreamcast emulator. The app is free, but you can pay for a premium version. You can upgrade, and the premium version basically it allows you to upscale your games, but you don't have to do this. It is free if you don't want to upgrade. So yeah, so click install and wait for it to install. Alright, once it is installed, head over to the emulator. Now you'll see two options. You will say upgrade to premium, play games in high definition like they deserve by upgrading, or continue in light mode. Now, like I said at the beginning, if you want to upgrade, click on upgrade, and you can upgrade. But if you just want to continue in light mode, just click on continue to light mode. Now you do have to allow Redream to emulate for your files. Allow. And this is the part where you have to exit out the emulator and go over to your Google or your Samsung internet or whatever you're using. And then search Dreamcast ROMs. So you can go to different sites, but I will be going over to Cool ROMs. Then, if you just want to see the most popular ROMs, click on top 25 downloaded. And then you can see all the 25 most popular ROMs. Now, if you just want to search for your game, just go up to the magnifying glass and search for your ROM. So I'm just gonna go with Street Fighter. And then I'll go over to say Dreamcast. And then there are all the games. So I'm gonna be clicking on Street Fighter 3 Third Strike. Close. And then once you are here, click on download now. And then you install. But because I actually installed it before, I don't have to do it. Then once your download is finished, head over to the archiver. Now, once you're in the archiver, go over to your download section, and then you will see Street Fighter 3 Third Strike or whatever the file you downloaded. Then click on it, and you can either extract in the current folder or you can extract it to anywhere else. So in my case, I put my Dreamcast games in this folder called ROMs. I'm going to create a new folder called Dreamcast, and I'm going to extract my game here. Sorry for pausing, guys. I'm just waiting for it to finish extracting. Now sometimes these Dreamcast ROMs can take up a lot of space, so be prepared for that. And also, if you get a lot of Dreamcast ROMs, you might run out of space eventually because, like I said, they take up a lot of space. Sometimes they take up like this ROM here, Street Fighter 3, takes up 681 megabytes, so it does take up quite a lot. And then go over to your download section or wherever your file is, the one that before you extracted it, and click delete. Now, before you go back to the emulator, check if your game file is .cdi. If it's not .cdi or even .gdi, it's not gonna work with the emulator. Just thought you should know that. Okay, then exit out of the archiver and then go to Redream. Continue light mode. Then just go over to, now Redream will automatically detect where your ROM is, but if it doesn't do that, go over to library and just search over here where your ROM is. For example, okay, I'll just do it again. I'll just go to where my file is, my ROM is, and then boom, it will just appear there. Now if you go over to input, you can put a controller, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use the touch screen controls. So yeah, let me just do this. And then once you're done configuring your controls and whatever, go over the video. Now the only thing we want to be changing right now is frame rate counter. We want it to be on. There you go. Now don't turn on vertical sync unless your phone is powerful enough. Don't turn it on because it will lag your games. So if you want to make it widescreen your games, you can go to game aspect ratio and you can change it to stretch 4:3 or 16:9. I like to do it stretch. And then frame skip counter. The frame skip, you can turn it auto or off. I like to do auto because it makes my game smoother. Then once you're done, just go over to games and click on your game and it should be running.